all bundled up and ready for my favorite challenging ride in the Louisville area. Here we go. We set out from the Big Four Bridge on the Ohio River Greenway to New Albany. This isn't just any ride in the Indiana countryside. For me, it's a test of my inner strength and mettle to climb up one formidable knob. With temperatures hovering in the mid to high 30s, we had the trail and roadways pretty much to ourselves. Leaving New Albany, we had to contend with one busy roadway, and that was Highway 111. But luckily, there was plenty of room on the side, and we just put our heads down and rode on. The turnoff for Budd Road was a welcome sight. Budd Road has become one of my favorite routes for its rolling hills and picturesque scenery, not to mention low traffic. Yeah. Oh, Jesus, yeah. Break time. Break time. Had to get in the bed. Snacks. Break time. Going up another incline. That's what this one is all about incline. 2,165 feet of climbing. So pretty though. Hello! You're such a pretty baby. See ya! Enjoy your beautiful land. God, it's gorgeous out here. Does not feel like Indiana. And there's a hill. This is the little hill. the big one. It's a good grade right here. And we're up. How was that? And that was the little hill. Oh, look how pretty it is. Now we get to go down for a minute. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh my God. We're going up Blunk Knob, which is a hella climb. Here we go. This is a big ass climb. The first little climb is a tough one before you even get to the switchback. I used to be afraid of climbs like Blunk Knob, but then I realized that it's not about getting up there the fastest you can, or even getting up there without stopping. It's about testing yourself and trying to find out if you can make it up that hill. It's about constantly improving and getting better. And that's what Blunk Knob is. It's me getting better at cycling. It's me getting up that hill. Second win on the first rise. We are on the second push up. We're on the switchback. And you just keep climbing. So pretty. Slow and steady. Gets up the big ass hill. Still only about halfway up the knob. This is where climbs get hard. Either you dig in or you put your foot down. I knew that if I put my foot on the ground, I would walk the rest of that incline. Mind over matter, I continued to climb, crawling up and up. God, just look at that. This is the reward of climbing. Look how gorgeous that is. We're in Indiana, kids. If you thought you couldn't climb in Indiana, you haven't been to Southern Indiana. Oh, this is gorgeous. And we're still going up. Another rise. This is taking every little bit I have to get up this last push. Oh, look how gorgeous it is. Woo! Got that little second wind. Just being able to see the top. Katie is at the top. Woohoo! Yes! Air high five! Ow! We hit the top. Let me show you what it looks like. Look at that. Woo! How you feeling, Katie?
I feel good.
Dude, you see the fog on my glasses? Oh my God. That's a huge accomplishment. Just getting up to the top of a hill like that. Oh, and man, the rewards are sweet. Oh. Oh, but look at this. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Yeah, we're on top of Indiana, that's for sure. And just like that, the breath normalizes and a sense of accomplishment turns to adrenaline to fuel the long ride ahead. So after we got past Blunk Knob, the GoPro died, so I don't have any more footage. So, but we're gonna continue on to Lanesville, and I'll show you that on the route. But we're gonna go to Lanesville and then cut around and come back. So yeah, so we're just gonna continue on another 30 miles. Yeah, 30 miles, yeah. But hard part's over. Blunk Knob is done, so we're just gonna stay warm and continue riding downhill for a little while. Check out more great adventures in the Louisville area and tips on how you can find adventure in your neck of the woods. All right, subscribe and we'll see you next time.